Dear students, welcome to online classes, first PUC Mathematics. Here we are going to solve the problem number 16. Problem number 16 says a person has two parents and 4 grandparents, 8 great grandparents, 2, 4, 8 and so on, like that it is going. Find the number of his ancestors in the sense here ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಅಂತ ancestors during the 10 generation preceding his own. Here each word you observe, find the number of his ancestors ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ? during these 10 generations. These 10 generations means SN here. SN is equal to question. You should not get confused with the words. If it is given like during his 10th generation, 10th generation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು 810 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. But here ancestors during his 10 generations, like that it is given, means SN we need to calculate here. Preceding his own in the sense we should not include that person. ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 10 ಜನರೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. See here we should identify whether it is in GP or 8. 2, 4 and 8 is there. 4/2, 8/4. Common ratio is same here. Common ratio. There is no common difference. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4 will come. It is not in AP, it is in GP. It is in geometric progression where the first term A is equal to, with first term A is equal to 2 and the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1. So R is equal to 4/2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. R common ratio is 2. During his 10 generations, it says that number of terms n is equal to 10 here. Therefore number of his ancestors Sn is equal to A into which formula to use? R value you see it is greater than 1, hence Sn is equal to A into R is to n minus 1 by R minus 1. I have to calculate S10 of to his 10 generations. How many are there? A is 2 here. R is also 2. 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 2 into 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. This minus 1 divided by 1. 2 into 1023. 2 into 1023 is 2046. So 2046 ancestors were there in his 10 generations. That is about example number 16. Okay, now we will go to the exercise, that is exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3, first of all we will solve the problems on the geometric progression concept. Then after that we will go to the geometric mean concept here. Geometric mean concept now I am not explaining. I will go to the problems. Okay. Coming to the exercise 9.3. Problem number 1 in that. Find the 20th and nth terms of the GP. Nth terms of the GP. GP given is 5/2, 5/4, 5/8, so on. 20th term ಮತ್ತೆ nth term ಅನ್ನ ಈ GP ದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ GP ಯಾವುದು? 5/2, 5/4, 5/8. So with that GP I can write first term A is equal to 5/2. What about the common ratio? Common ratio R is We know the formula, it is A2 by A1. What is A2? Is 5 by 4. Whole divided by A1 is a 5 by 2. It is in the form A by B whole divided by C by D. This can be written as A by B into D by C. 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Common ratio is a 1 by 2. Common ratio we have, first term we have. Now to find out the 20th term. 20th term, that is using an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. 20th term in the sense n is equal to 20, we should substitute. A20 is equal to a into r to the power of 20 minus 1 is nothing but 19 here. A value you substitute. A value is 5 by 2 into r value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 19. This can be written as 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 19. So 5 by 2 to the power of 20 it is. It is in the form a raised to m into a raised to n. Can be written as a raised to m plus n. A in the sense basis 2 to power nothing is there means 1 will be there. A to the power of m plus n. 1 plus 19, 20. So 20th term of the geometric progression is 5 by 2 to the power 20. This is first part of the problem. Second part is that finding the nth term. Finding the nth term, just there n we need to keep, that's all. Nth term, an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Substitute a value and r value. A value is 5 by 2 and r value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. This can be written as 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So this is 5 by 2 to the power of n as I explained in the previous one. Here 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is there. It is like a by b whole to the power of n. That can be written as a to the power n by b to the power n. A to the power n means 1 to the power of n minus 1. 1 to the power of anything is 1 only again. So 1 I have written directly. Nth term of the geometric progression is 5 by 2 to the power of n. That is about problem number 1 in the exercise 9.3. Now we will take the next problem, that is problem number 2. Problem number 2 says find the 12th term of a GP. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. Read the question once again. Find the 12th term means what? 100ನೇ ಪದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. A12 is equal to question mark of a GP. One GP is there whose 8th term is 192. 8th term in the sense A8 is equal to 192 and the common ratio is 2. R is equal to 2 here. Okay. A12 in the sense what? A12 means A into R to the power of 11. A and R, those are the two unknown quantities I need to find out here. R is already given to us. Then we need A. For that, to find the A, I will use the given. What is given? 8th term is 192. 8th term in general, using the nth term formula, A into R to the power of n minus 1. In place of n, 8 here. Means A into R to the power of 7 it is. A into R to the power of 7 is equal to 192. Then A value I need to calculate. R value is directly given to us, that is 2. 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 192. A is equal to What is this 2 to the power 7? 2 to the power 7 value is 128. Should know this. This is equal to 192. Therefore, A is equal to 192 by 128. Cancel this. I think 4 we will cancel. 4 16, 3 will be there, 32. 4 8 32. 4 3 4 2 Next, again 4 we can do. 4 1 4 2 that is 4 12 4 8 Next, 4 2 sorry 4 3 4 2 First term A is equal to, I am getting 3 by 2. Now we will go to calculate 12th term. 12th term is equal to A12 is equal to A into R to the power of 11. A value is 3 by 2, R value is 2, that is 2 to the power of 11. Here 2 to the power of 1 is there, 2 to the power of 11. One time you cancel that 2. 3 into 2 to the power of 10. This dot means into. 3 into 2 to the power of 10 value is 1024. 3 into 1024 is 3072. So 12th term of the GP is 3072. This is about problem number 2. Now we will go to problem number 3. Problem number 3 says the 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GP. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GP of a geometric progression are P, Q and S respectively. Show that Q square is equal to PS. Okay, what is the given question here? It is given that 5th term is P, 8th term is Q and 12th term is S. Then we need to show Q square is equal to PS. Let me write the given things first of all. It is given 5th term is P. What is 5th term in a geometric progression? That is nothing but A into R to the power 4. P. Take this as equation 1. Next they have given you 8th term is Q. 8th term is equal to Q. What is 8th term in a geometric progression? That is A into R to the power 7, which is equal to Q. Take this as equation 2. Next, 11th term of a GP is S. 11th term is equal to S. What is 11th term? This is A into R to the power 10, which is equal to S. Take this as equation 3. We need to show here Q square is equal to PS. Taking Q square is equal to, here you see Q is equal to A into R to the power of 7. Q square is equal to, otherwise let me consider Q equal to first, you may get confused, that's why. Taking Q is equal to A into R to the power 7, that one I am considering first, that is equation 2. Now we need Q square, so what you do? Square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Q square is equal to a into r is to 7 whole square. This is nothing but a square into r is to 7 into 2, that is 14. Because it is in the form a raised to m whole raised to n, that is nothing but a raised to m into n. A square, that is final. R is to 7 whole raised to 2, it is like a raised to m whole raised to n. A raised to m into n means here r is to 7 into 2 14. I need to split this to have p and s. ಇಲ್ಲಿ p ಮತ್ತೆ s ಬರುವಂಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, how this a square is there now, I will write it as a into a. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು a into a ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ್ರಿ. Then r is to 14. Here we need r is to 4. Here I need r is to 10. I will write that one as r is to 4 into r is to 10. You see, it is like a is to m into a is to n. Nothing but a is to m plus n. Laws of indices. That one I have used. Now a into r is to 4 into a into r is to 10 I can write. A into r is to 4 is nothing but a p. They have given you. A into r is to 10 is nothing but a s there. This is what? This is q square is equal to ps. That is about problem number 3 in the exercise 9.3. Now I will go to the problem number 4. Problem number 4 is that the fourth term of a GP is the fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. Square of its second term. And the fourth term of a GP is the square of its second term, and the first term is minus 3, and the first term is minus 3. Determine its seventh term. Determine its seventh term. Read the question. Fourth term of a GP is means equal to. Kannada medium students will be getting confused with the sentences here. Is means you take equal to. Fourth term is equal to square of second term, means second term it's a square. This is given to us, and the first term is minus 3. Let me write it here only. That is a is equal to minus 3. Determine its seventh term, means what? A7 is equal to question mark. What is A7? A7 is nothing but a into r is to 6. A we need to calculate and r we need to calculate. A is minus 3, that is directly given to us. Now I need to calculate r, common ratio. For that they have given you this. Fourth term in a geometric progression is nothing but a into r is to 3. Second term is nothing but a into r whole square. Okay. A into r is to 3 is equal to a square into r square. You see r is 3 times here, r is 2 times. 2 times you can cancel r, and a 1 time, a 2 times, 1 time I can cancel this. R square, this r get cancelled. R is equal to a I am getting. A value is given. Therefore r is equal to minus 3. Common ratio of the geometric progression we got. Now finding the seventh term. Seventh term, a7 is equal to a into r is to 6, because a into r to the power of n minus 1. A7 is equal to a is minus 3 and r is also minus 3 whole to the power of 6. That is nothing but minus 3 into, how much is this? 3 to the minus 3 to the power of 6. Minus 1 is there. Even number in the sense that will be positive only. 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 I can take. 3 to the power 4 is 81. into this 3 square 9, 9 8 7s are 8 9s are 72. This is 729 minus 3 into 729. This is minus 2187. That is about 7th term of the geometric progression, and we solve the problem number 4 in the exercise 9.3. Now we will take 5th problem, that is, which term of the following sequence, which term of the following sequence, which term of the following sequence 2, 2 into root 2, 4, so on is 128. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪದ 128 ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಓಕೆ, our geometric progression is 2 into root 2 4. You can write a, that is 2, and you can write r also, that is 2 into root 2 by 2. These two get cancels, root 2. That can be written as 2 to the power of 1 by 2 also. Fine. Which term of this one is 128? Means an is equal to 128, n is equal to question mark here. An is given, n we need to calculate. Use the formula using an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Substitute an is nothing but 128, a value is 2, r value is root 2, whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay, 2 I will take to the left hand side. 128 by 2 is equal to root 2. Root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 by 2, that whole to the power of n minus 1. 2 ones are 2, 64 are. 64 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. This 64 also you write 2 to the power of something, so that we can compare. This is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. Both side bases are same. Means it is n is equal to n minus 1 by 2. Cross multiplying, 12 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to, take this to the left hand side, n is equal to 13. What I have? 13th term is 128. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13ನೆಯ ಪದ 128 ಅಂತ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.